jumps off his chariot and captures a stag barehanded and ties it to the chariot to bring it back to add to the feast. And then he has this special trick of stunning birds. So he ends up throwing a small stone up into the air and stunning 20 swans, which he ties on an individual rope for each bird, and then ties that to the side of his chariot. And here we have this horrific sight of Shadanda with his chin down and his one eye out and his hair up, the muscles revolving, the 20 birds on an individual string, and the stag. And that's what is arriving back to Navan Fort after he took up arms for the first time. And the women of Navan Fort look out and they say to themselves, if this young warrior arrives back in that state, well, there'll not be a man, a woman, or a child safe at Navan Fort. So what they decide to do is something that women have resorted to throughout history, and even in recent times. They decide to strip off and form a phalanx, so that when the boy arrives at Navan Fort, he sees the bare-breasted women, and it sort of shocks him out of this warp spasm, and they put him into one vat which explodes with the heat of his manly vigor. They get him into the second vat of cold water, and it boils over. But in the third vat, his composure is returned.